That was silly. I'll get away from him. He don't look like somebody who don't use the mirrors there, I think. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. What you need. The only person using the bus lane apart from me is the learner, which suggests that the learner knows better than the people who've passed. Although to be very well, have an instructor with him, one would hope. Anticipation, 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 that's what you need. If you wanna stay alive, if you wanna survive, oh, anticipation's what you need. And a little bit of an ability to filter past cars, yeah. Oh, a boat. Now I'm here, look. Is he gonna look? Are you gonna look? No, you're not gonna look. Now I'm gonna get a neutral. He's not going to look, he's too busy looking left because he wants to turn right and ride down the wrong side of the road. Something nice and relaxing, like just a calm ride. Not racing anybody. Quite often not even doing the speed limit. Just a nice, calm ride. Bit of practicing of the old skills. Or in my case, the new skills. I've not been doing it that long. Anticipation's what you need. If you wanna be a record breaker, yeah. I'm in a silly mood today. Oh, I love it when the lights change just as you get to them. Past there on the way back. We got there today. Kawasaki and the Suzuki. It's a race, and the Ferrari's coming up behind the Williams. If I upload this to YouTube, I'll apologise in advance for the singing. Just in a happy mood. I'm on holiday, I'm on my bike, It's good to be alive. God, change. No, I'm not gonna. Not gonna.